Hi everyone, welcome to my video on how to get free hair in Roblox. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com to get free hairs. Now once you're here, you have to search for hair and just choose hair and choose in marketplace. Now, once you're here, guys, so these are the hairs with some Robux. But if you want to get free, what you need to do, you have to go to shorts and just choose low to high. So it will short all the hairs as per the price, and you will get all the free hairs and at the top of this list. And you can if you want to get free hair, you just need to go to like I want this here, so just click on it and just click on buy and click on get now. And now you can equip this hair from the avatar. So I have selected like so many hairs right now, so let me unselect them. Let me unselect all the heads because I was making a video for the multiples accessories, so I just choose all the head here. Now let me go to here. Now you just need to select the hair. So this is the hair right now. Earlier I just got for free. You can see this is a side swept dreads. So now you can see this is the new hair that I have got from the free, and hope you like it for free. I hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And you can search for many items and see if there is any free cost. You just need to sort the list by low to high, and you will get the free all the free hairs in the list. So that's how you can get other items as well for free in Roblox. Hope you get it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.